Wyandotte County has been one of the hardest hit by COVID-19 in the metro. More than 11,000 people have tested positive and nearly 200 have died since the start of the pandemic. And the most recent data showed a positivity rate of nearly 46%. Now, the Kansas City, Kansas Public School Board looked at these numbers and decided to push back its return to in-person learning to April of next year. KCTV5 is your school authority, and Carolina Cruz is live from the district's North Central office with more on what went into that decision. Carolina?
Well, Brad, with virtual learning going a little bit longer than parents expected, the district is encouraging them, along with students, to visit this location in case they have any issues with their technology.
Come April of 2021, students at Kansas City, Kansas public schools will have learned virtually for more than a year. That's a long time for mom of three, Valencia Kirkwood.
It's been a little difficult, but we're getting through it.
She's not working right now. Instead, she's dedicated herself to helping her 8th, 5th, and 3rd grader.
I was ready for their relief in January, but I understand.
Kansas City Public Schools started the school year with remote learning for 9 weeks, then extended that decision into January. Yesterday, the board chose to push that return date further to April 5th, a little over a month before the end of this school year.
So the concern is about some of our teachers who have specific needs and health issues being in the midst of that during COVID-19.
The other options were to keep the January return date for in-person learning or to bring students back into the classroom when positivity rates dropped to 15% in Wyandotte County.
But who knows when that's going to happen.
KCK public school spokesperson Edwin Birch says the Board of Education made its decision based on several factors, including concerns parents and teachers expressed in a survey. But he understands there are also parents who are struggling with resources.
As far as connectivity and some of our families not having access to the internet, we're still trying to work that out.
The district sent parents a survey this week asking for feedback to assess where additional hotspots are needed. Kirkwood says her internet works just fine. It's the technology that sometimes fails her. This was her second visit to tech support.
But sometimes, the iPad or the laptop might not charge or keep its charge, and then we have to come down here and, replace it, So it's been fine as long as, I can replace it.
She says when that April date comes,
I really don't have any concerns. I think it'll be okay.
But if things change and her children don't return for those final weeks this year, she's okay with that too, as long as decisions are made based on the safety of her children and their teachers.
The district also made the announcement today to consolidate its grab-and-go meal locations, and we have their explanation as well as that updated list available on our website, kctv5.com. Reporting in Kansas City, Kansas, Carolina Cruz, KCTV5 News.
Carolina, thank you.